Show me. Yeah, show me. Look. Show me. Show me. It's a turkey handprint, right?
Turkey.
Yeah, Dile, we're gonna make this today. Yeah, for this Thanksgiving, we're gonna do this craft really easy, and it's more durable than if you would have one for paper. You only need popsicle sticks and paint and hot glue sticks. I will show you. You will need the following popsicle sticks. I got mine at the 99-cent store, but you can also find them at the craft store and the dollar store. Some washable kids paint, because you're going to be using them on their hands. Some pipe cleaners. I got a huge packet from the Michaels. Some paint brushes to use, and hot glue sticks, hot glue gun, whichever that you have. And you will also need Sharpies, and that's all. Is Miss Layla over there. Look at Miss Layla. She is 8 months for this Thanksgiving. Right, Miss Layla? And then the bottom one is her little smooshy hand that we try to capture. Look at that. Layla 2018, Luna 2018. You know what I should put here? Their age. So I will know with the date, but like we'll put here behind it. We can put 3 years old and 8 months old. Yay! So now we have something really done. I think it's really cute and it's memorable. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Hopefully you guys have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Eat delicious food, whatever that you eat. Turkey, pozole, tamales, or whatever that you eat. That is all. Subscribe if you haven't done so. I will be doing Vlogmas. Well, you wouldn't remember. I will be doing Vlogmas, so stay tuned for those videos. And yeah, here you go, Luna. Stay here with sister. Sit there with sister. To the camera. Show me. Oh, sister. Luna, voltea. Show me, show me.